Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic pickle in vinegar. First, gather about 2 pounds of fresh garlic cloves. Carefully peel each clove, ensuring they are firm and free from any imperfections. Next, it is crucial to sterilize your glass jars and lids. You can do this by washing them in hot, soapy water and then boiling them for 10 minutes, or running them through a hot dishwasher cycle. This step is essential for safe pickling. Now let's prepare the flavorful vinegar brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, not table salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. You can also add your favorite pickling spices like mustard seeds, dill, or red pepper flakes. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. With your brine ready, it's time to fill the jars. Carefully pack the peeled garlic cloves into your sterilized jars, ensuring they are snug but not crushed. Then, pour the hot vinegar brine over the garlic, making sure to leave about ½ inch of headspace from the rim. Use a clean knife or chopstick to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and securely seal them with their sterilized lids. The final step is patience. Allow your garlic pickles to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks in a cool, dark place. This curing time allows the flavors to fully develop and the garlic to soften. Once opened, store the jars in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and crispness. These homemade garlic pickles are a fantastic addition to sandwiches, salads, or as a flavorful snack. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.